It's an honor when you make a difference in somebody's life. It feels really great when they come back in or call you and say, because of you, this is what happened to me, or because of you, I am healthy again. I always feel like it's important when patients come in to take the time to get to know them a little bit better. So through looking at their history, talking to them a little bit about where they came from, and then trying to connect with something in my life that connects to something that is going on in their life usually makes them feel a little bit more comfortable. And then once they're more comfortable opening up about things, then we can kind of dig into their medical history and the problems that they're having. But I like to take the time to get to know patients first so that they know that they can trust me and talk to me about their personal problems. I love being in a small town community where the people know you, not only in the clinic but out in public. They stop and say hi to you, and they feel like you're caring about them and know about them, not only on a personal basis, but also on a community basis. It always touches me when we have a patient that we move along in the system, get to the specialty that they need to go to, and then from that specialty, they get the treatment that they need. Those are the patients that, when they're in a significant amount of pain or they're just feeling really down, you get them off to the specialty that they need, and they turn around in a quick amount of time, and you see them back for follow-up, and they tell you, wow, I am feeling 100 times better, and all because of this little thing that you did. I really like the Mercy Health system just because of the small town feel of it, the personal attention that the staff gives you and the physicians give you. I hear a lot of times that there's a lot of people in the system that care. They're willing to take the time with patients. They're willing to go above and beyond for what patients need, and that it's just a great place to be a part of.